Ellie, can you?
It's unprecedented.
I know it.
It's unprecedented, and it also always takes a year to come back. Wow.
Yeah,
LeBron
he didn't miss that one, did he?
LBJ. And he tried. Yeah, did it again.
2 in a row.
Here comes LeBron.
When you telegraph passes, LeBron James with back-to-back.
And yet another take foul.
He windmill dunks it. This guy was a game-time decision.
He saves it right to James. Oh, what a pass.
No reason to save it. And then you save it in the wrong direction.
Tucker tips it. Fournier saves it, but he saves it right to James. Oh, what a pass. Scissors James throws it down. Fendall gives it up. And this time James anticipates. LeBron James. Big time flop.
That box of chocolate. You know exactly what you're getting.
Every night. Here he is. One hand. Throw down.
Austin Reeves comes in for the final 29 seconds.
And Dwight is 4 rebounds closer to the top 10. LeBron behind the head. That's turnovers. And another. James has got the angle. And a two-handed hammer. 7 out of 10. But vision is always. LeBron James answers. Show fans see if they can get it done. Gotta win this game. 6 games on the road. And yet another take foul.
He windmill dunks it. This guy was a game-time decision.
He saves it right to James. Oh, what a pass.
No reason to save it. And then you save it in the wrong direction.
Situations. 34.3% on 146 attempts. Nice play by Rondo.
He tried to take the charge, and he might have altered the shot. 3-on-1. Davis, lob, LeBron! Finish it! Anthony Davis using his size around the rim. That time they needed your own. After he made that play, hobbling down one leg. LeBron! 2 emphatic.
As a guard, you can't turn the basketball over.
We're being told that they're LeBron. And the Lakers are running downhill. Swooping dunk.
Control of it.
Harden. Oh, Bradley picks his pocket. Break opportunity. AD is running. Bradley lob it up. Oh, LeBron! Skip.
Has not let off.
He graduated high school the same year.
He's young. And he shows it on that slant.
Anticipation. And speaking of anticipation, room service.
The basketball. Look at this pass intended for LeBron. He's got it! Throwing down King!
Work, lost it on the spin, picked up by Morton Tucker, and a pitch ahead to Westbrook. Westbrook beats James for a two-handed slam.
To Porter. He nearly threw it away and did. They turn it over again. LBJ!
Yeah, Marvin, 3 for 3. Here's Buddy, great job on LeBron. Oh, man. Just communication.
The screen, see if you can get Carmelo on a switch. Involved for more in the pick and roll, but Bradley never releasing.
Wow.
Vincent underneath, throws it up and misses. Lakers have a chance for the break if they get it up to LeBron, and they do. Now it's 2-on-2. LeBron, throw it down. Moved around a little bit in high school. Avery Bradley on the way. Under the